If you're ready to start making money with AI and ChatGPT, you're in the right place. Michael here, and in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step of how you can get started making money with AI. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to give you not only free AI tools and proof showing exactly what I'm doing, you're going to get access to the digital playbook, which includes done for you emails, done for you videos, and all kinds of really cool stuff that we actually use ChatGPT to generate. We're going to actually drive traffic to things that we can get paid to promote with these AI generated posts. All of this stuff I'm going to be showing you in today's video is pretty copy and paste, so you don't have to worry about being an expert. You don't have to have a fancy computer, and you don't really have to have any money to get started. All you have to do is get this checklist that I'm going to be giving you free today that's going to help you get started step by step with everything that you need to start earning money. Now, if you want all this stuff, by the way, all you have to do is drop a comment, let me know you're taking action, subscribe, and let's go ahead and dive into the video. So first thing you want to do is just go to digitalplaybook.com, put that in, grab the VIP checklist right here, and you're going to get directed to this site right here. This is our free group, completely free. This is where the digital playbook is. We have an overview of 559 people in here that are all taking action. This group will be free up until 800 members. Once that is, I'm going to make this pay just because I have some things that I want to do in 2025 for my current members. So go ahead and jump in here, grab that, but let's go ahead and talk about how we can start setting up everything. Just start by going through the checklist. First thing is you got to grab Go High Level. The reason why I like and use this tool is I've been using it for a couple years now, and I have all the systems and funnels and everything already built. So once you guys sign up, you guys are able to import my snapshot, which has everything that I just mentioned, plug and play, copy and paste for you guys. So once you import that, then it'll take you to a screen that looks like this. This is going to be your dashboard. Obviously, you're not going to have anything in here, but the three main areas that I want to talk about is going to be sites, automations, and marketing. So once you grab the checklist, the next thing that you're going to want to do is pick a tool that you're going to want to promote. The tool that I'm going to suggest would be either these essential tools right here. 11 Labs is a really good tool, but this new tool called Blotato, which is a faceless AI video generator, you can actually become an affiliate of this tool, and I would really suggest that. So just to cover that real quick, you're going to need to sign up for free. Once you log in, you're going to come down here to help, and then you're going to want to scroll down where it says affiliate, and then this is how you join the affiliate program right here to get your link. Now, once you have your link, you can actually start creating faceless videos using this tool right here. I'm going to go back and talk about the checklist in a second, but let's just talk about the creation of the content, because volume, and getting traffic is how you're going to make money. If you don't have traffic, if you don't have attention, you're not going to be able to make any profits or commission. So that's where we need to create some content. So going over here, just go ahead and go to the prompts, and I give you guys different prompts that you can use. I'm just going to copy this one right here, go to over here to Potato, and put that in right here. Let's go with, I'm feeling fantasy. I have another video on my channel going through this tool a little bit in depth. These are 11 Lab voices. I'm going to go ahead and choose Nova. Voiceover, yes, nope, and enable captions. This process right here is super quick and easy, and this is why I love this new tool that I came across. It takes multiple steps out, like the prompt engineering, having to go to 11 Labs to generate voiceovers, and even the captions. If you looked at my channel before, I've always talked about how you have to download voice, put this in the caption. Well, this takes away a lot of different steps. So once it's created or finished creating, you can see that there's 4 different shots right here. Now you have the ability to make it animated clips, change everything, but I'm all about volume. Just want to create as many short form videos as I can. So it's generating right here. Once it's done, we can export it, boom. And in the span of, I'm not even kidding you, probably 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna have a video generated that we can go ahead and schedule out on our social media platforms that's gonna start generating views and eyeballs. Transcribing or transcoding the video. Now this thing is done. Let's go ahead and see this final result that I've made in 3 or 4 minutes.
These are the top 3 websites you're not supposed to know. digitalplaybook.com, a full free checklist that shows you how to earn money by cloning yourself on social media. AIaremyclone.com, a list of over 400.
Then what you would want to do is go into the CRM, and marketing is what I'm going to talk about next. Marketing is where the social planner is, and this is where you're able to schedule out your content. So if you can just click right here, this is going to show the calendar, and we are going to be able to see for the month of January all the content that I have scheduled out. Boom, 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 content scheduled out. Obviously, if you're in here, you're not going to have any content. I even have some content scheduled out for February because I'm not missing on my content. Gotta pump out content every day. So what you would want to do is create a bunch. I'm talking if you're just starting off, 2 to 3 a day. Boom. So this is 20 videos. You're creating them. Download these. I also have another video that will show you guys how to create short form content as well right here. This is a really good step-by-step video. But once you would have that information or the content, you would want to connect your different social media accounts right here. Then you would hit new post, create new post, and then you're going to want to pick which ones you want to upload to. Click this button right here, and then you're going to need to upload all your videos into your CRM or Go High Level, and then schedule them out. This is the process. Just want to show this real quick because this sums it up right here. You get the checklist. We talked about that. We figured out the tool that we want to use. Replicate content. I showed you how to do that with Blotato. Then we're sending traffic to each of these links. And then we're doing this again and again and again. So now before I end the video, I just want to briefly talk about the back end and the front end. So the front end is going to be your funnel. So for an example, we're going to use my funnel, which you're actually able to get if you upload the snapshot. So when someone messages me on Instagram or comments that they want information, I just send them to this link, put in the information, and then they get taken to the next page. So to get this set up, all you really need to do is once this is uploaded into your account is just go to settings, and then you need to add a domain. Right from here too, you can purchase a domain, which I really like. Also, since it is, check out Traffic ID. What Traffic ID is that it allows me to capture leads. So when people land on my website, even if they don't fill out the form, I have a 30% chance of getting their information. Super cool. I've made videos about this in the past as well if you want to check that out. But we have the front end, so we're able to capture leads. And once we capture leads, they're going to get put into an automation, which basically is an email, an autoresponder where you can email people without even having to do anything. And this is just an example. So when someone would come in, add them to new leads, and then they get sent this email right here, boom, 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 super simple. And then you can kind of see the process. If they open it, it goes over here. If they don't, it comes this way. You're able to get access to this snapshot as well. But the biggest thing that people DM me and message me about is they want to know how to make money quick. And if you have an audience already, you're able to make a massive amount of money quick because you have the eyeballs, you have the attention. But if you don't already have that and you want to go the affiliate route, you're going to have to start posting content. Content. Start using content to generate engagement. Now, if you want to make money quicker, you can go the services or online courses route, but I am not going to talk about that in this video. So go through the checklist, join the group if you want to DM me, but that is it for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next one.